Hi friends, you're here. Welcome back to my channel. My auntie Bituin visited me for the holiday and brought 1 kilogram of shrimp paste from Iloilo. Thanks to Bits. Love ya. I am here to share my pinakbet recipe. Pinakbet or pakbet is a Filipino vegetable dish. Pinakbet is nutritious as it is delicious. It is composed of a variety of vegetables and it also has a protein component. You can use these common protein like lechon kawali or crispy deep fried pork belly, but I used ground pork for this recipe. Ingredients: 1/8 kilogram ground pork or pork belly cut into 1-inch cubes, 1 tablespoon shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 onion peeled and chopped, 2 cloves garlic peeled and minced, 1 tomato chopped, 3 cayenne pepper, 2 cups water, 1/2 small squash peeled and cut into pieces, 8 okra and steamed, 5 pieces long beans, 1 medium bittermelon seeded, halved and cut into 1-inch thick, 1 large eggplant, and steamed and cut into 1-inch thick, salt and pepper to taste. Let's cook. I am lacking onion because I cannot afford it this time of the month. It is really expensive. It reaches 700 pesos per kilo this January 2023, but you can add it if you have one. Anyway, let's start cooking. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a frying pan in medium heat. Add onions and garlic, then cook stirring regularly until softened. Add ground pork and cook stirring occasionally until lightly browned. Add shrimp paste and continue to cook stirring for 1 minute. Add squash, then cook for 2 minutes before mashing it with the back of a spoon until softened and squished. Add water and bring to a boil. Lower heat, cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until meat is tender. Add more water in 1/2 cup increments as needed to maintain about 1 cup of liquid. Add long beans, bitter gourd, eggplant, okra, cayenne pepper, tomatoes. Continue to cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until vegetables are tender yet crisp. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot. A colorful medley of local vegetables, pork, meat, and shrimp paste, this classic Filipino stew is perfect as a main entry or as a side dish to fried fish or grilled meat. There you have it. Here's our trivia for today. Did you know that the Pinakbet Tagalog version makes use of shrimp paste? It is made from krill, which are small shrimp-like crustaceans found in the waters of Asia. And the Ilocano version uses fermented fish or bagoong isda. Bagoong tirong and bagoong monamon are the common fermented fish used to cook it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.